The Larson Electronics solar tower comes with a fold-over manual crank mast that can elevate the tower from 13.5 feet to 45 feet. The trailer includes 4 1,000-pound manual crank leveling jacks to stabilize the unit. 2 265-watt solar panels bring the power. The solar panels are adjustable and able to be locked into place. Our solar towers are built with solid steel construction. The masthead can also be removed. These units ship with the tower attached to the trailer. Lights, cameras, and equipment are optional items that can be added. If equipment is added, a control box will be included. Add security cameras to keep an eye on your property. The surveillance cameras can even be operated remotely. We also have models with a pneumatic mast for hands-free elevation. Alarms and sirens can also be added. We even have models with wind generators. The options are endless. Check it out at Larson Electronics. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.